What was the Kyle Rittenhouse trial about? Have you ever wondered how a single event can spark a national conversation about self-defense and civil rights? The Kyle Rittenhouse trial is a prime example of this. This trial focused on a 17-year-old from Antioch, Illinois, who faced serious criminal charges after a series of shootings during civil unrest in Kenosha, Wisconsin, on August 25, 2020. The unrest began after the police shooting of Jacob Blake, a local black man, just 2 days earlier. The trial sought to determine whether Rittenhouse acted in self-defense or committed intentional crimes when he shot and killed 2 individuals and wounded another. From a true crime perspective, this case highlights the legal boundaries of self-defense and the use of deadly force. It also emphasizes the role of video evidence in modern trials. During the protests, Rittenhouse was present in Kenosha, armed with a rifle. He claimed he was there to protect property and provide medical aid. The prosecution argued that Rittenhouse provoked the confrontations and was not acting in self-defense. They presented evidence of him shooting and killing Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber, while also wounding Gage Grosskreutz. On the flip side, the defense maintained that Rittenhouse was attacked and feared for his life. They used video footage to support their claim that he was chased, threatened, and physically assaulted before he fired his weapon. The trial included serious charges such as first-degree intentional homicide, first-degree reckless homicide, attempted first-degree intentional homicide, and recklessly endangering safety. Some lesser charges, like possession of a dangerous weapon by a minor and curfew violation, were dismissed before the jury began their deliberations. During the opening statements, both sides laid out their main arguments. The prosecution focused on Rittenhouse's intent and the consequences of his actions. Meanwhile, the defense highlighted the chaotic environment and Rittenhouse's perception of imminent danger. The jury had the challenging task of determining whether Rittenhouse's use of force was justified under Wisconsin law. This trial became a focal point for discussions about vigilantism, self-defense rights, and the impact of social unrest on legal proceedings. Ultimately, the verdict was not guilty on all major charges. The jury reached this decision after reviewing extensive video evidence and testimony, showing how modern trials increasingly relying on digital documentation to reconstruct events. In the context of true crime and criminology, the Rittenhouse case illustrates how legal principles like self-defense are applied during civil disorder. It also highlights the importance of evidence presentation and jury interpretation in high-profile criminal trials. The opening statement phase was crucial in framing the narrative each side pursued throughout the trial.